Here's how to code Python for beginners without installing anything. Welcome to part 2 on how to use Python on Anvil.works. So we're going to go back to our project and I'm going to show you how to use variables. To define a variable, you simply just write the name of the variable. So I'll just do var and write an equal sign and anything you want. So like it can be a number or it could be a string, but you have to use quotation marks if you want to type letters. So now this is a string variable. So there are many different types of variables. I'll show you in this diagram. There are integers, which are normal numbers like 1, 10, and 100. There are floats, which are numbers with decimals. There are strings, which are normal text like hello world. There are lists, which is a variable that has multiple objects in it. There are booleans that have a value indicating true or false. There are dictionaries that have values that are stored in pairs and do not allow duplicates. There are tuples that are defined on the tuple's creation, so you cannot edit them after you've created the tuple. Can have multiple data types in the same tuple. And finally, there are sets. Sets are created using curly brackets and are unordered, meaning if you print a set, they will appear in a random order. You also cannot edit sets. Now this is a very short video of an introduction to variables. So in part 3, I'll talk about tuples, and in part 4, dictionaries. Anyways, thank you all for watching, and I'll see you guys in part 3.